probably around 8ish. And then we'll go find some dinner. And then call it a night.
Study night.
Study, yeah. We got some exams in the next week. So.
We made it safely to this pub. It's more of just a restaurant. The thing is, they don't have rice, even though their menu contains rice. But that's fine.
I said, I'll take the curry and katsu without the rice. He comes back, it says, you want the curry and the katsu without the rice? And I'm like, nah.
Yeah, we just had to stop and get food before going to the hotel because we're starving. I got this one, and then she got this one. Oh, it's cold. This looks super good, so we're gonna try it.
We made it. It's so hot in here.
It's hot like everyone's. Here, but here's an air conditioner.
Room tour. We got 2 twin beds. We have a mini kitchen. The window. Yes. And then over here is the bathroom. It's honestly not bad. It comes with toothpaste.
Wait, actually.
Got a strawberry latte and then a bacon egg sandwich. This looks really good. Oh. That's good. Guys, we made it to the place where it had the necklace I wanted. It has a birthstone. Wow, these are so cute. They have cock charms. That is so cute. We're taking a break and I got a slushie. It's really good. And then she got orange ice cream. It's so windy. at a teddy bear museum and it's super cool. It's like a history museum, but teddy bear form. So it was really interesting to look at. Guys, how do I look? I love this. Well, instead of going to a restaurant, we decided to just eat at a convenience store because this girl's phone was dying and she needed to buy a power bank.
Because mine
But
died
then
so fast.
the power bank was also dead. So then we just sat here in silence. I was like, let's just eat here. So now we're eating here. And of course I have my sausage. We're gonna do a little postcard. You get 2 each. They're just so cute. Okay.
Oh my god, the back of it's really cute too. The stamp on the back of it.
Cute. Okay. Oh, I think I broke it. Oopsies. Anyway, so we got the Snoopy Garden one. I'm just gonna. And that kind of sucked. See, this would have been perfect if this one wasn't upside down. This is so cute. There's like bean bags that you can sit in. So iconic. I'm gonna do some coloring. We're making the trees black. It's cold. How do I look?
Beautiful.
We just did a photo booth. I am digging the look. Honestly, this could be my Halloween costume. I need to find where they got this. Look how cute this is. We stopped at this cafe and I got a cherry aid. We have a frog. We made it back to our room. I'm wearing the PJs I got yesterday. They are so cute. And Ellie's over there just laying on her bed. I'm gonna start studying and working on a project proposal. So we're gonna do that and then go to sleep early because we have to leave at 5 a.m. to head back to the airport.